हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं प्रीतम कुमार, डिपोजिशन राइटर, बिहार सिविल कोर्ट, आपका अपने चैनल प्रीतम शॉर्ट हैंड लर्निंग में स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, आपके लिए फिर से इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन, जिसमें कुल वर्ड 440 है। रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसको नोट डाउन करके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें तथा बेल बटन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें, ताकि आपको शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन मिलते रहे और आप अच्छी तरह प्रैक्टिस करते रहें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मेरे पुराने सब्सक्राइबर हैं तो आप इस वीडियो को अपने ग्रुप में भी शेयर करें। बी रेडी फॉर डिक्टेशन। हाउएवर, कॉमा, इन स्पाइट ऑफ द नोटिस हैविंग बीन सर्व्ड, कॉमा, none appears on behalf of the non-applicant. Stop. The arguments made in the petition have remained uncontroverted. Stop. The arbitration clause does not indicate as to whether the arbitration is to be referred to a sole arbitrator or more than one arbitrator. Stop. Learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant would be satisfied if the matter is referred to the sole arbitrator. Stop. He has also submitted that it would be appropriate to nominate a former judge of this court. Stop. In my opinion, comma, there is a valid subsisting arbitration clause. Stop. The non-applicant seems to have prima facie acted in breach of the agreement. Stop. The dispute seems to have arisen out of a bona fide arrangement between the parties. Stop. The arbitration petition also seems to have been filed within limitation. Stop. In such circumstances, comma, I allow this petition and refer the dispute raised in this petition or any other dispute that may become available to the parties, comma, to the sole arbitrator. Stop. The non-applicant shall be at liberty to raise any counterclaim if so advised. Stop. I hereby appoint Mr. Justice P.B. Singh, stop, former judge of this court, comma, as the sole arbitrator. Stop. The learned arbitrator shall be at liberty to fix his own remuneration and any other terms and conditions for the arbitration as deemed fit and proper, comma, at his sole discretion. Stop. The seat of the arbitration shall be in Delhi. Stop. However, comma, the arbitrator may hold the arbitration proceedings at a place most convenient to the parties, comma, either within India or outside India. Stop. Para. In our country also, when the criminal procedure code, comma, 1861 was enacted, it was silent about the compounding of offense. Stop. Subsequently, comma, when the next code of 1872 was introduced, it mentioned about compounding in section 188 by providing the mode of compounding. Stop. However, comma, it did not contain any provision declaring what offences were compoundable. Stop. The decision as to what offences were compoundable was governed by reference to the exception to section 214 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop. The subsequent Code of 1898 provided section 345 indicating the offences which were compoundable, but the said section was only made applicable to compounding of offences defined and permissible under Indian Penal Code. Stop. The present code, which repealed the 1898 code, contains section 320 containing comprehensive provisions for compounding. Stop. A perusal of section 320 makes it clear that the provisions contained in section 320 and the various subsections is a code by itself relating to compounding of offense. Stop. It provides for the various parameters and procedures. Find the stop.